Hello again. This is the second instruction video out of 3 which will introduce you to Send to Amazon, also known as STA. You can find the rest of the videos by visiting the help page called Create Shipment with Send to Amazon. We will explore step 2, that is confirm shipping, in this video. Based on your selection in step 1, you would see your inventory split into individual shipments for each unique fulfillment centers chosen. You can view these individual shipments here. First, you need to select the shipping mode between small parcel delivery for shipping individual cartons or less than truckload for shipping using pallets. Then select your shipping carrier between FBA pickup service by ATS, Amazon empaneled carrier or own carrier for shipping your units. You can choose the same carrier for your multiple shipments by checking the checkbox. Carrier will be same for all shipments. Finally, you can click on Enter the box information to confirm the number of boxes, weight and dimensions for each box. You are allowed to add up to 150 boxes for FBA pickup service and up to 500 boxes for own carrier shipments. Please ensure that the information provided is accurate as this is used to reconcile your shipment. We request you to review your selection and make any change on your SKUs, quantities and FCs before moving to step 3. Finally, click Accept Charges and Continue to complete step 2, Confirm Shipping. Thank you for your time in watching this video. You can view our next video to learn about the experience for step 3, Appointment and Print Labels.